2021 4th of July fireworks stash. Okay, picked up some of these Venom jumbo punks, 10.5 inch. These are really nice. These punks work really well compared to the traditional style punks or the large. There's another large version of punks. These ones work way better. They're really fat, so they have a nice hot tip, so it's easy to light stuff. And then I got Shogun tri-rotation wheel, 2 of those. Crazy Eye wheel by Big, 7 duration. Got 2 packs of Patriot sticks. They're white and blue. You get 3 in a pack by World Class. Can't wait to try these out. They got the glow stick on them. 2 packs of these Alpha Beta rockets. Killer Bliss. 2 packs of those. Two packs of these assorted 6-ounce. These are 6-ounce assorted dragon rockets. Older style looking rockets. Jumbo pack of Black Cat rockets. You know, they kind of look like old ones, but they're not, even though they say DOT class C. They got the UNO on them. Pack of Tango rockets by Jumbo. And I got a case of Blue Raspberry by Powerland. 7-shot, 500 gram. Got some of the dangers still. Pack of Star Smasher rockets. These are a nice big looking rocket by Pyro Demon. 9 in a pack of those. Got a case of American Steers by Warrior. Real nice 9-shot no ab. Not out of box on that one. Goes really high. Got a case of America's Colors by Sky Bacon. 25 shot. Got a case of Fidget Spinner by Warrior. Fountain. Cool fountain. Got a shopping bag right there. Can't go shopping without my Warrior bag. 2 cases of Sticky Fingers by Grey Grizzly. 2 cases of those. Case of Sky Painter by Sky Bacon. 9-shot, 500 gram one there. Case of Fire Breathing Rubber Ducky by King Claw. Really excited about that cake. It's a new for 2021. I got a case of Let's Get Weird 32 shot by Grey Grizzly. A box of Fixing the Fire. Got 3 Crown by Grey Grizzly. 3 Pimp Juice. 9-shot. They say they're 500 gram. They're maybe 350 or something. Medium bore. A case of Beast by Firehawk. 12-shot, nice. I like the color stars that are in that one. A case of Wicked Hardcore by Jumbo. 9-shot. 500 grammer. Got a case. It's the Bro series by Great Grizzly. It's got the Want More Breaks, the Want More Boom, Want More Grizz, Want More Grams. And I thought this was pretty cool. I don't see many cases that open up like that, and it's in a box that are just regular 500 gram case. I thought that was pretty cool. I don't know if that's like safe or not, but because it comes with a piece of tape over it, and if someone lit it, maybe it wouldn't go off or something. I don't know. I think it's cool. You can just flip the lid. Got a case of Neon Web by Raccoon. Neon Web by Raccoon. I think that's the donut one. Really excited about that. Got a case of the Yeti Fountain by King Claw. Big 500 gram fountain. This is my big 500 grammer for the year. Always get a case of something real cool. Fountain. Got a case of Shut Up and Paddle. 30 shot 500 gram by Great Grizzly. Got a case of Where Are You by Jumbo. Where Are You by Jumbo. 500 grams. Got a case of 2-1 case of Monsters of All Kinds by Jumbo. 30 shot 500 grammer. Pretty big. Big bore and an angle cake for 30 shot. Got a case of Neon Beast by Pyrology. Ultimate Neon Shells, new metallic effects. So I was gonna turn this sideways, see. And take a look at that. That's what they look like. Shells, haven't shot them off yet. I gotta test those out yet, but yeah, Neon Beast shells. Got a case of Black Pearl shells by Great Grizzly. Rest are down there. Got a case of Excalibur. 2021 Excalibur. Demo those off. Those are from when I demoed these. These were seemed like they hit significantly harder than the 2020s that I had, but who knows? Regardless, they're good. They're real good. Got a box of the 6-inch Silver Bullet by Supreme. It's got the unique the rings and the mines. Basically the same as Halo, I was told. Got a box of the Hundies. Got one box of the Ghostacular. I was gonna get a case of it, but after seeing it, and I've actually seen some in person now. I'm kind of glad I didn't. They're all right donut. They don't break really big and loud like probably the Silver Bullet do. So, or at least I'll test those out and see how it goes. Got a box of the Anaconda by Pyro Predator. Canister shells. Got a box of Taste My Venom by Legend. Got a box of the Radioactive shells by Fisherman. And I got 2 cases of the Frogman. 2 cases of the Frogman by Great Grizzly. Got a case of the 6-inch bombs by Miracle. Really excited about these. These are probably the shell that I actually got that I'm the most excited about. 6 of them got tails. I'm always looking for tails, and I can't get the tiki bombs. And nobody else is making a 24 kit with tails. They just have like some where there's like some in there. So yeah, really excited about the 6-inch bombs. Got a case of the 5-inch Fight for Independence by Raccoon. And then I got a case of the 5-inch Pyro shells, the Game Changers, by Pyrology. Basically, here's kind of what they look like. Just like the neon ones. Yeah, that's what the Raccoon look like. Yeah, I haven't seen them or shot them yet either, but I know they're gonna be good. They're 49 F435, so if you know what that is, you know they're gonna be good. That's why I picked them up, and they were cheap. You get 3 in a case though. And then I got a case of these, case of these gold cans. Yeah. No, I mean, good, just regular 5-inch shells. I was just, it's not a secret or nothing really. I was just kind of hiding the name because they're not really supposed to come in that way. I don't want to lose that. I got 3 cases of the Love Potion. Number 9. That's my favorite Noab right there. It's just the best Noab. Got Come On Man assortment. Did an unboxing of this. This is the only assortment that I picked up this year. The prices on I love assortments, but the prices on them this year were outrageous. Basically, retail pricing last year for wholesale and cases on them, and that's if you could get them. It was so bad. So I just got this one. Come On Man, something for the kids and me to play with. A case of the Whistling Artillery shells by Mighty Max. Just a cheap. It's the cheapest ball shell, so it's nothing special. A case of the At Balls by Magnus. Yeah, I wanted these for a while. This is my case of quality ball shells last year. It was last year, I guess. Last year it was the Raccoon ones, but really I think these are the same shells as the Raccoon ones. They look like they look exactly the same to me. 200 grammars. I got a Crazy Horse. This is a case, a mixed case. You get 8 each of these. Crazy Horse, Medicine Man, and Red Cloud. Little 6-shot, 200 grammars. Hopefully they're good. A Green Saturn missile battery by Big. Got the Frog Princess by Big. Got a case of Just Looking, a 5-shot by Grey Grizzly. It's a great looking cake. Got a case of Smoke Dragon. Love it. Gotta have that smoke. One of the best, most easily available smoke cakes. I got a box of this 24 shells, and you get 60 breaks. Thought that was pretty cool. 24 shells. I'm waiting on my other 12. I don't know when I get them, if you know what I mean. But got a Dr. Fiasco Fountain by Canon. Got a box of cherries. Let's see. I got a Minion. I got Funky Fish. And I got a Western something. Brick of Crackling Gold Sparklers. A box of the Globe Novelty by Brothers. Crazy Pills by Warrior. Got 2 of those. I got Hot and Spicy by Brothers. cherry pie, 7-shot baby cake by Flashing. Baby cake 200 grammer. Got an old squad. Got 5 3-packs of the single day. Got 2 packs of the color strobe by Canon. Got Show Me by Magnus. Got some of the adult only and some of the mega. Got Molotov Cocktail by Phantom. Got a machine gun shell by Phantom. 19-shot, 200 gram banger. Got a bullwhip fountain by Cutting Edge. I got a 1,000 roll of Phantom crackers. I got a dude cracker there. I got a case of 1,000 roll of the Sky Bacon crackers. And I got a 100 pack of these 1.5-inch titanium, kind of bigger TNT crackers. Try out. Just got 1 pack of those to try out. Now this right here is something I wanted to get last year. It came out new for last year, but it didn't come into the states that I could find. So when I saw I could get it this year, I was really excited. This is the Saturn Missile Barrage color in mine 750 shot by Raccoon. I just, from the video, looked like the sweetest Saturn missile battery I've ever seen. So I had to pick it up, but who knows? Got a lot to see. See what it really got. Exotic Mash by Canon, 2 of those. Got Whistling Chaser with 2 reports by Boomer. Purple Saturn, 100 shot by Big. This Elite Paratroops by Black Cat. Got that big cake. Got a Crystal Rain baby cake by Flashing. Got a Jawbreaker baby cake by Flashing. Mad Scientist by Little Patriot Fountain. Dark Ghost. Little baby cake by World Class. Got Major League Pyro Marble Madness Fountain. But this Flying Spider by Flashing. That pack of Flying Spiders. I got Flash Frenzy fountain by Brothers. Got a Stressed Out by World Class, 8-shot 200 grammer. Got a 180 degree fountain by Winda. Got a Catapult 16-shot by Dominator. Got a Flashing Fireworks Firefly Surprise fountain. Got 2 tire fires. 2 packs of tire fires by Major League Pyro. Got 2 Color Pearl 144 shots. And down here I got a pack of the Super Magnum shells by Universal. Still got some of these. Love that cake. Got the Cake Party by Brothers. And I got 3 of the Max OD fountain. Max OD by Safe and Sane Fireworks. You know, good to go there. I got a 25-shot Assorted Effects. Pandemonium by Flashing Fireworks, 20-shot 200 gram. Got a Silver Cyclone by Dominator. Got a Surf and Turf by Flashing, 12-shot 200. Got a Tropical Madness. Generic by Generic. I got a 200 gram Stop Sign. Jumbo Garden Spring. Pretty cool by Shogun. Got a Thunderstruck. by Ninja. Got a Dancing with Ghost by Winda. Got a Rowdy Rampage 16 shot by Dominator. Got a Boss Hog by Alpha. And I got a Freedom Fighter by Alpha 16 shots. And then I got Burning Rings of Fire 12 double ring shots by Black Cat. Picked up 2 Daytime Smoke artillery shells. I really love these. These are one of my favorite shells. Probably favorite ball shell. Try to get a case. They did not come in this year. Flashing actually didn't get much stuff in this year, so it's hard to get any of their stuff. But I would love to have like cases of them if I could. I got 12 pieces of the black box artillery by Blast Wave. I got a case of these. There's a whole bunch back there. But I got a whole case of these Jacks or better. I love this cake. Did demo one, and I've got other times, and it's just one of my favorite 200 grammars. It's got trillions in it. It's the only thing like that I gotta get. Got a case of the Twisty Turley by Pyroplanet 16 shot. Let's see what I got over here. Picked up a pack of Trippy Sticks by Warrior. And then I got 2 packs of the 2XL Smoke by Shogun. Got that cake right there with the shield. I got a box of the Boss Shells by Universal. And I got a box of the American Chief by Brothers. Quality shell there. Let's see, I got a pack of the Patriot Rockets by World Class. Very nice rocket pack. One of their best. The demo on it. Got a pack of the Pam Rockets by Black Cat. One pack on that. I have to let it see how they do. Got a Seismic Wave Cracker by Phantom. Got the Warrior Color Camo Smoke. I got a pack 24 strip of these M98s by Phantom. I'll try those out, see if they're any different. And these rare crackers are a little fatter. Got a pack of the Jumbo Wolf Bottle Rockets by Phantom. And I got the Blue Streak Rockets by Phantom. And Blue Stars with Silverfish. Nice. Blue Streak, you know, it's got the coaster on there and everything. That's what I got. My brother loves coasters, so that'd be cool. Got a case of the Parachute Battalion by Mega Banger 7 shot. A case of those. Excited about that. Gotta get some parachutes. Got a case of the Sky Diamond by Pyroplanet. You got the extra cake. Get that extra cake. Got the Hell on Wheels by Warrior 16 shot 500 grammer. Got King Crescent by Flashing. Excited to try that out. See if it's any good. Love cross sets. Got some Poppin' Blossoms by Flashing. And I got a brick of the Grand Bloom Flower with Rapport by Flashing. And I got two packs of the Water Bombs by Shogun. I got 2 of these Cosmic Comments here by Grand Patriot. Grand Patriot Cosmic Comments are alright. I got Planet X. What is this? 11-inch cone head Fallon by Planet X. I got a Commando by Pyro Predator. Some parachute guys. Love them parachute guys. I have that Commando. Let's see, I got 2 Smokecopters choppers by Big. I got a Jumbo Saturn missile battery up here. Nice 92 shotter by Flashing. I got this Assorted case. It's called Closing Time. This thing by Greg Grizzly. You get some buzzed, hammered, and chip-faced cakes. I don't know if they're any good. They're new for 2021, so I'll have to try those out. Buzz hammers and shit. Got a 12 shot final box. Color Stars 5 seconds. 200 grammer. Got a case of those by 76 Pro Line. Got a Reaper drone by Big Fireworks. Got the Crackling Silver Dragon by Big Fireworks. Get 2 cones in there. Really nice. Nice big heavy cones. They were good. Got some Thundermania 8 balls by Winda. Picked up 2 Smoking Hot 5 ball by Major League Pyro. These candles right here, they're real good. They're like almost as loud as the artillery shells. Got the Dream Team. Let's see here, a Dream Team, Major League Pyro, Warrior, Grand Patriot, No Mercy by all of them. They're all Dream Team. So I dropped one of these Pink Panthers. I got a pack of Pink Panthers by Grand Patriot. 5 ball candle. It's got a cool panther under there. Thought it'd look cool. Let's see here. I got a Titanium Bottle Rockets by Canon. And then I got some by TNT. And these TNT ones are pretty big. You know. Yeah, they look bigger too. So hopefully they're cool. Titanium bottle rockets. Always looking for those. Looking for good bottle rockets. I love the good old school wood paper ones, and these ones have a flash tail. The Canon ones. That's what I'm looking for. That's my favorite bottle rocket right there. I got 2 packs of Premium Moon Travelers by Big. Got those 2 with the plastic. I don't like them as much. I really love the paper, old school style, especially with the tail. Got a 12 shot foul play by Major League Pyro. Got 2 guns up by Warrior, 500 gram. Got light chasers, 33 shot bright go getters by Winda. Try that out, see if it's any good. Got Christmas in July by Phantom brand. Christmas in July, it's coming up. The 4th, that's my Christmas. Got Wicked Ways by Raccoon. Got Bowser. Got Bowser chilling back there. I got Rising Force by Pyro Demon, 500 gram like budget. I got a Uncaged 12 shot. I got a Thunderstar Top Power Shells. Top Power Shells by Thunderstar. And then I got this wheel here. Sparkling wheel. Let's try out. Pretty big wheel. I think it's a pro wheel, so I don't know if I'm 1.4G. Yeah, got that pro wheel there. And then I picked up these case assortments here. Got to get back a little bit. A lot of case assortments. It's cool they're starting to do this more often. I got the Mob Dogs by Miracle case assortment. You get Dogfather, Alpo Capone, Bone Digger, and Mad Dog. 9 shots. Thought they looked good. I'll have to try them out. And then I tried to get every one of the Magnus buy 2 get 1 free. 1, 2, 4, 5. I think I'm missing one. Though. But I got the Power Trip, Gunpowder Club, Storm 51, the Redneck Survival Kit, and It's About Time. But yeah, I think I got all of them but one, but I don't remember off the top of my head. There's like there's probably about like 15 cases of things I was trying to get, or that at least ordered for, and they're not gonna make it here on time, or they're just not coming at all with the shipping problems. Everybody knows. I mean, one container is supposed to, with some of the stuff I ordered, supposed to come in July 5th. So we'll see how it goes. But you get Neon Jungle, Glow City, and Pixel Island in the Power Trip. 9 shot, 500 gram power cakes. Love them. Love these cakes by Magnus. Really good. Those are some of my favorite cakes. And then the Gunpowder Club has Catching Fire, True Legend, and Firestorm. Then comes Firestorm. And then Stormier 51, you get They Can't Stop All of Us, Let's See Them Aliens, and Nitro Run. And then the Redneck Survival Kit gets Duct Tape, WD-40, and Ice Cold Beer. I thought this was the coolest. I thought this was the coolest one that would sell well on the shelves. Thought people get a kick out of that. Got the It's About Time. These are the long duration cakes, 1 minute more, 60-second plus. I lit those together already because I got them last year in the Assorted case, and then your bonuses pause for effect. But I might just do all 3 this year, and maybe it'll make a nice 1,500 gram, 1 cake that isn't so bad. The way I feel about these long duration cakes, you're supposed to light them. All together. So that's about all I picked up this year for the stash. Oh yeah, and I got that right there. I'm very excited about finding that because it's gone, and the one out there that people try to call a rewrap, which really it's not. It has a darn flying fish in it, and it's like, it's just not the same. I mean, this is like one of my most favorite cakes, and it's gone. So I was fortunate enough to come across that one. So, which is probably like the last one I'll ever be able to find ever. So I just have to enjoy that. But yeah, that'll do it for my fireworks stash. Thanks.